What up, guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Screen, and we're coming with the busy buzzer bang. We're coming with another crazy song. This song here, it's it's called "Scary." Scary by Lois. Lois, oh, bri. What what message can I give Lois was that he must be consistent. He he got the best voice ever, bro. I don't know if he's out of love songs or what, because he's good, bro. Yo, this guy's good. Now, sometimes you need to give the people their flowers, bro. Fact, you need to give them their flowers. I don't know if I'm wrong on that, but I mean it, bro. Like, I really mean it. Some people deserve to be given flowers without even them asking, cause it's a talent, bro. This is a talent that this guy got. You know what I mean? Let's let's vibe to this. Let's vibe to this. Let me not talk too much. This is a new song, by the way. Let's just hear.
It's crazy how you say these things I don't believe in. I won't go away. I'm good at living in between what you believe in. I wish I could change. I'm trying to push it from my mind. These feelings that I
Woo! Bruh, that voice, bruh. Nah, bruh, wait. I'm not trying to be like, hey, this guy, what's. No, 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 bruh. His voice. Oh, bruh. You can just close your eyes and listen. You're like, damn, this guy. Yo, yo, yo. Just by the starting, you're already making people shake, like, yo.
It's crazy how you say these things I don't believe in. I won't go away. I'm good at living in between what you believe in. I wish I could change. I'm trying to push it from my mind. These feelings that I hide, they won't go away. Let's just breathe for now. I'd hate to see you cry. I know that it would break me,
Yo, bruh.
but I don't
This guy here. If Lois was single, bruh, with the words that he got in his mouth, yeah, la 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 la, it's chai. It's chai, bro. Like, if Lois got left voice and Nj, and then you're telling me he don't have people that's gonna support him, my gag, and he don't have a relationship, never. That's a cap. That's a cap, bro. Like, this guy can sing for a lady and she gonna fall fast. If this guy can sing for a lady, she will just say yes without even him saying much. You know what I mean? This is fire, bro. Yo, yo, yo. Ah, ha.
wish I could change. I'm trying to push it from my mind. These feelings that I hide, they won't go away. Let's just breathe for now. I'd hate to see you cry. I know that it would break me, but I don't think I'm ready
Yes, let's go.
to love you now.
Say what? You're not ready?
I'm trying to sing your heart.
Uh huh.
I wish that you were ready. I know that I'm not ready.
To love you now. Oh, shit.
Baby, you can rest in peace. You love me deep, so perfectly.
Ooh. Yeah, wait. Hold on, bruh. Nah. Bro, you're making me taking off my headsets. I nah. Bruh, I won't lie. This is the smartest way to move. I won't lie, bro. Lois, please be consistent, bruh. Because be consistent. Come on, bruh. Make your money. I feel like people don't like making their money, bro. Like some people with their talent, they don't like making money with their talent. This is fire though, yo. But wait. I'm sorry to cut you off, but Loiso have never disappointed when it comes to music, bruh. I feel like this is Chris Brown of. Is it no Chris Brown? No. He's like John Legend of South Africa, bro. Or no, even way better. I don't know, but he's fire, yo. This guy's fire, bro. Yo, ha. Hey, too loud. Come on, yeah. What you ready for? Okay. Why you can't? Why? Why you can't love her now? Love her now. Listen. Just for the start, the sweet. Oh!
Baby, you can rest in peace. You love me deep, so perfectly. Just know there's nothing I would change about you. Hearts don't break right on the line. It's never even. Time won't ever change your mind. And love ain't even try.
Ooh!
I leave for now.
Yeah.
I'd hate to see you cry.
To love you now. Ooh! Come on. Guys, sometimes girls, yo, when a guy is trying to push you away, just go away. Cause there's a reason why he's trying to do something. Maybe he's saying he's not ready for this, but you wanna push hard, and then you're gonna be heartbroken. And then end of the day, you blame the guy. You can't blame the guy when they told you just move on, cause I'm not ready for a relationship. You know what I mean? Yeah. Bro, you can hear the way the beats are switching other kind, bro. The beat started from smooth to the fast. That's going it's going in the middle way. Oh, yo. Okay. Take it out, man. Love you now. Damn, Lois. So, bruh. I won't lie, Lois was doing the most, bruh. I think he needs to release an album now. It's time for him to release an album. I don't know what you think. You can comment down below. Just tell him he must release an album. You know what I mean? Take him, and then tell him he must release an album. That's what I said. He must do the most, bro. He's nice fire. Yo. That voice. Yeah. Never. It's fire, bro. This guy got a talent, bro. It's just something he's gifted to. You know what I mean? If he can go to America, he'll be signed. Same time. And I don't think he even needs to be signed, bro. He's out there, he's making numbers, bro. Yo. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment down below. and said Loiso to keep on pushing. He must release an album, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah, I'm saying that we'll see you on the next one. And when he drops, he must drop an album, bruh. Not dropping one song. And this good, bruh. Hey, this guy know how to market himself online. I'm really proud of him online. I enjoy seeing black people winning from, especially the generation that we're in. When people are winning and they're making it in life, I'm proud. I'm happy. See you on the next one, guys. See ya. I wish I could have that voice. See you on the next one.